Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Tim with Practical Healing Foods. Today I want to talk to you about headaches. I'm a person that has suffered throughout most of my adult life with headaches, anywhere from tension headaches to hypertension headaches with blood pressure. The fact is that over 45 million Americans each year complain of suffering from some type of headaches. From what the statistics show, a lot of those are from stress and whatever's surrounding their lives and that sort of thing. But there's also some things that we're doing to our own, we're eating and ingesting into our own bodies that are causing inflammation that causes some of this headache. Because that's all a headache is inflammation in the brain, in the vessels in the brain, unless there is like tumors or something like that. But majority of people don't have tumors. It's just a matter of inflammation in the body. So you're looking at carbohydrates, sugars, there's gluten, a whole bunch of things that causes inflammation in the body. It could be a multiple of things. So the best thing to do is go to your doctor or your healthcare provider and have them do some tests to see what you're allergic to. Sometimes if you're allergic to something that you're eating, these tests can show that, and that can show what's causing the inflammation in your body. A couple of things that I wanted to share with you during this quick video is what has worked for me. Now, I shared with you in another video that I suffer from hypertension, high cholesterol. I was diagnosed with a fatty liver. That's the reason why I started the ketogenic diet, a healthy ketogenic diet with 70% healthy fats, which are your avocado oils, your extra virgin olive oils, your healthy nuts, your fish, your omega fish that are high in fatty acids, that sort of thing. That type of diet has helped decrease my headaches. But having said that, also being on the ketogenic diet can cause headaches if you have an imbalance with your electrolytes. Let me explain to you what happens on the ketogenic diet. So what happens is you start voiding out a bunch of electrolytes. You start urinating a bunch of electrolytes because your body is making these ketones from your liver. So what that does is your body is pushing out a bunch of fluids. So you're losing a lot of electrolytes when you're urinating frequently on the ketogenic diet. So what you need to do is start making sure that you're balancing out your electrolytes naturally by taking a healthy electrolyte type of supplement, getting it in the foods that you're eating, and I'll do a video here in the near future showing you what foods will help you increase the electrolytes that you need in your body. But one thing that I did find, even with doing the electrolytes, I still was suffering from some headaches. Not as bad as I used to have migraines. I used to have some bad migraine headaches. But what I started doing, and I start some investigating and some studying on it, is if you take turmeric or curcumin, add that with a healthy type of omega-3 fatty acid oil, like your fish oil, very good quality fish oil, will also help decrease the inflammation in your brain, and that has actually helped tremendously with headaches. Another thing that I found, the main thing with my headaches during the ketogenic diet is I would wake up with a headache. And so sometimes if you're on medications, these will cause headaches too. That's a side effect. If you're taking antidepressants and stuff like that, you can wake up with these headaches. That's part of the side effect. So you may want to look at that and talk to your doctor if you're concerned about your medications causing these headaches. So talk to your healthcare provider. Maybe they can put you on a different medication that will help you decrease those headaches and not have such bad side effects with headaches. But one thing I did find is I found Dr. Don Colbert. He has a supplement, a powdered supplement that's called Instant Ketones. In these instant ketones, you have all your electrolytes. You have your good salts, your sodium, your magnesium, your calcium, your potassium, and plus other salts in there that will help you throw you into ketosis. So the good thing about this is a lot of diabetics, type 2 diabetics that try to get on the ketogenic diet, sometimes it takes them a while to start burning the ketones. He has his patients take this instant ketones, and within an hour they're in ketosis. So it also helps people that don't have type 2 diabetes that are on the ketogenic diet, and say you're out with friends and family and then you eat something that you're not supposed to eat on the ketogenic diet, and you fall out of ketosis. If you take these instant ketones, it'll put you right back into ketosis within about an hour. I use these, and these also help my headaches. So like for instance, I started having a slight headache last night. I took it right before I went to bed. Now you need to be careful. Sometimes it'll give you a boost of energy. It doesn't do that to me, but when I woke up this morning, no headaches, felt great. I just want to share a couple things that may help your headaches, your migraine headaches, your tension headaches, that sort of thing. Another thing is I also read that acupuncture is another good thing that help with headaches. I personally have never tried that, but it's something to look into. Anyways, I just want to share this information to get this out to you to help you with the headaches, because I know how it feels to constantly have headaches. Fight the headache battle. If you found something that helps you with to relieve your headaches, leave them in the comments below. I'll also leave a link down below for those instant ketones that I talked about. Now, I will tell you, if you do get those, these instant ketones taste rough, okay? They're salts and they're that sort of thing, so they are a little bitter. So just want to let you know, if you do get these, take a scoop of it with a very little amount of water, shake it up, and then drink it right down. But to me, it's worth taking the bitter tasting salts as opposed to having the headaches. I hope this helps you. So make sure you say a prayer for Israel, and we'll say a prayer for you. Catch you in the next video. Till tomorrow. Bye.